Hello everyone. In this video I will tell you what keto diet is, its benefits, and what effects it has on the human body. What is keto diet? A keto diet is well known for being a low-carb diet where the body produces ketones in the liver to be used as energy. It's referred to as many different names: ketogenic diet, low-carb diet, low-carb high-fat. When you eat something high in carbs, your body will produce glucose and insulin. Our bodies are incredibly adaptive to what you put into it. When you overload it with fats and take away carbohydrates, it will begin to burn ketones as the primary energy source. Optimal ketone levels offer many health, weight loss, physical and mental performance benefits. To start a keto diet, you will want to plan ahead. That means having a viable diet plan ready and waiting. What you eat depends on how fast you want to get into a ketogenic state, ketosis. The more restrictive you are on your carbohydrates, less than 25 grams net carbs per day, the faster you will enter ketosis. You want to keep your carbohydrates limited, coming mostly from vegetables, nuts, and dairy. Don't eat any refined carbohydrates such as wheat, bread, pasta, cereals, starch, potatoes, beans, legumes, or fruit. The small exceptions to this are avocado, star fruit, and berries, which can be consumed in moderation. The benefits of low-carb and ketogenic diets. 1. Low-carb diets reduce your appetite. Hunger tends to be the worst side effect of dieting. It is one of the main reasons why many people feel miserable and eventually give up. However, low-carb eating leads to an automatic reduction in appetite. 2. Low-carb diets led to more weight loss at first. Cutting carbs is one of the simplest and most effective ways to lose weight. Studies illustrate that people on low-carb diets lose more weight faster than those on low-fat diets, even when the latter are actively restricting calories. This is because low-carb diets act to rid excess water from your body, lowering insulin levels and leading to rapid weight loss in the first week or two. 3. Reduced blood sugar and insulin levels. Low-carb and ketogenic diets can also be particularly helpful for people with diabetes and insulin resistance, which affect millions of people worldwide. Studies prove that cutting carbs lowers both blood sugar and insulin levels drastically. Some people with diabetes who begin a low-carb diet may need to reduce their insulin dosage by 50% almost immediately. 4. May lower blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure, or hypertension, is a significant risk factor for many diseases, including heart disease, stroke, and kidney failure. Low-carb diets are an effective way to lower blood pressure, which should reduce your risk of these diseases and help you live longer. These are just some of the benefits of keto diet. Keto diet has some side effects. As a result, a sudden change to a low-carbohydrate diet may cause side effects for some people. While transitioning into ketosis, people may experience headaches, constipation, insomnia, fatigue. For most people, is a short-term side effect that should improve within a few days to a few weeks. Drinking enough fluids and electrolytes may help ease the symptoms. If they do not improve, a person should speak to their doctor. Few things are as well established in nutrition science as the immense health benefits of low-carb and ketogenic diets. Not only can these diets improve your cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar, but they also reduce your appetite, boost weight loss, and lower your triglycerides. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, do not forget to subscribe for future videos.